And with the TNT doubled, it's time to put Will's bunker to the test.
I also brought number 40 from 1 through 100 back.
To help us blow up all this TNT, you're in charge of the button.
Don't press anything yet. Moment of truth. Whenever you're ready, press the 1.
Oh, that money's gone for sure.
Oh my God! Bro, look at that smoke cloud. I can't even see anything. Wait, I think I see money falling from the sky.
No! 7 days of work just went up in flames. Why are we running?
I'm running because he's running.
Counted up the money and over $95,000 survived the explosion.
I just won $95,000!